Once upon a time, in a village, a couple was working on their farm when they saw a golden cucumber. They opened it and saw a baby girl inside.
Look how beautiful she is.
The couple was so happy because they wanted to have a child for so long.
Why, that baby is mine?
It was the green giant.
Almighty giant, can we keep her, please?
Well, if you want her so badly, you can't keep her, but I will take her again when she is 17. I am going to make her work in my factory.
The wife cried happily while carrying the baby to their house. The couple named the girl Timun Mas. They raised her with love and care. Timun Mas grew up to be a very beautiful and smart girl. A couple of years later, the couple realized that they only had a few days until Timun Mas turned 17. They did not want the giant to take Timun Mas away. Timun Mas' mother asked her whether she wanted to work at the giant's factory or not. Timun Mas said that she wanted to continue her study at a university instead of becoming a worker. Timun Mas' mother then gave her their magical things. They were a pencil, a pen, and a razor.
These items have special powers to help you beat the giant.
In the morning, the couple quickly prepared the things in a bag.
Suddenly, the giant came to the couple's house and asked for their promise. The couple did not want to return Timun Mas and told her to run. The giant was so angry and he ran to catch Timun Mas.
Where are you going? Shouted the giant only. I am going to catch you.
Not so fast.
She took the pencil out of her bag and threw it behind her. Suddenly, the pencil turned into an enormous digital board that blocked the giant from catching Timun Mas. The giant stopped and looked at the board. It said that the giant must answer the question on the board if he wanted to continue catching Timun Mas. He started answering the question on the board while Timun Mas ran further. After he finished answering the question correctly, the giant continued catching Timun Mas. He was getting closer and closer.
Where are you going? I am going to catch you.
Not so fast.
She took the pen out of her bag and threw it behind her. Suddenly, the pen turned the land into a stage that blocked the way. The giant stood on the stage. Rows of audience were in front of him. Then, an announcer said,
"No, we will listen to I speaks from the giant."
The giant was surprised because he must give a speech English on the stage if he wanted to catch Timun Mas. Unfortunately, the giant's English was very good. He made it and he ran to catch Timun Mas again. He got so close he almost got hurt.
Where are you going? I am going to catch you.
Not so fast.
Finally, she took the eraser out of her bag and threw it in front of her. The eraser turned the land into a labyrinth garden. Timun Mas and the giant were shocked. They would need to escape from the labyrinth. They could see a few obstacles along the labyrinth.
We must work together if we want to get out of the labyrinth. I have a smartphone in my bag.
Alright, we should use a digital map. You can read the map for us. I will help you lead the way out.
Using his strong power, the giant destroyed the obstacle along the way out of the labyrinth. Timun Mas and the giant successfully found their way out of the labyrinth.
Timun Mas, you are very smart. I think you should continue your studies at the university. You don't have to be a work in my factory now.
Timun Mas was so happy to hear that. She returned home and hugged her parents. Once in a while, they meet the giant for a nice dinner. They all lived happily ever after.